If you're constantly behind schedule, or if your planners are always overriding system dates, I can almost guarantee one thing: your lead times are lying to you. Lead times should tell you how long it truly takes to convert a customer order into a finished product. They're the backbone of your MPS, your production schedule, your capacity plan, your promise dates, your CTB accuracy, and your customer delivery performance. When lead times are right, everything lines up. When they're wrong, everything you build on top of them collapses. Here's the part most organizations don't want to hear. Your lead times aren't wrong because your system is bad. They're wrong because your process assumptions don't match reality. The system is using theoretical routing times. Your routers say 10 hours, but the real work center takes 18. Outside processing is never updated. You might assume 5 days, but the supplier is actually running 12. No one validates changeovers or queue times. Setup time, queue time, inspection time, all of it gets ignored until the schedule blows up. Too much WIP creates artificial delays. Your system shows available capacity, but your floor shows every machine blocked with half-finished work. Planners override dates to survive. When every date becomes a manual adjustment, your lead time is no longer a lead time, it's a guess. This is where the impact gets real. Bad lead times cause MPS volatility, incorrect CTB, production schedule failures, excessive WIP, customer promise dates that don't stick, and firefighting every single day. You cannot build stability on top of broken assumptions. And here's the part everyone wants. How do we fix lead times? You don't fix lead times by guessing. You fix them by observing reality. Validate true process times, not what's written, not what was true 5 years ago, what's true today. Reconfirm outside processing lead times. If your suppliers slip, your entire schedule slips. Clean your WIP. Excess WIP stretches every routing step and makes your lead time look longer than it is. Update lead times only after data, not emotion. No panic changes, no guessing, no reacting to one bad week. Protect planning parameters with a governance rhythm. Lead times should be reviewed consistently, not when things blow up. When you do this, your lead times start telling the truth again, and your entire operation stabilizes. I'm Michelle, your SIOP and supply chain strategist with Streamline Consulting Group. Hit the subscribe button for more Streamline insights, and let's fix the flow and grow your business.